Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can remove an account from Myfxbooks. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, be sure that you would want to remove the account and this will stop automatic updates. And yeah, first you will have to log into your myfxbook.com and then you will go to your dashboard and then you will click your avatar, which is right here, and then you will click settings and just wait for it to load. And you will have to wait for your website to load, and once you're on your settings, you will then see accounts, which is right here. And then what you will have to do next, if you already have your account, then you will just have to find that account that you would want to remove. Then you will click the settings for that account, and then you will choose remove account or delete, and then you will just have to confirm when prompted. If the account was published publicly, then you may also want to set it to private before removal. After removal, the account will no longer update or appear in your portfolio. And that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a good day.